Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to make a long distance paper airplane, the new dart. So to make the new dart, you need a printing paper. I'm using letter size, so you're welcome to try A4 paper. First step, I'll fold the paper in half this way. Next, I will start from this edge and fold it to the center crease. And then I repeat the same step for the other side. Okay, and then now I fold this triangle shape down. Next step, I will start from this corner, estimate about 1 inch along this edge, and then just fold it down straight to this corner. Then fold the paper in half like this. Now I fold this part down, and then I will use this edge as a reference. Right, then I open the paper, and now I will start from this edge and fold it to the center crease. Next, I repeat the same step. Okay, I will fix this side a little bit though. Okay. And now I will fold this triangle shape up to hold the gap. Okay. And next, fold the paper in half like this. I will estimate about ½ inch along this edge, and I just fold straight to this corner. Then turn the paper over. You can fold this part down and match this edge to this edge. Okay, then I open the wings like this. Okay, so the plane is completed, but before you fly it, you need to make sure that you have a flat surface here. Okay? And then you need to curve the end of the wings up a little bit like this. Then now you can check it out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.